Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. Today video is quite important because I'm going to explain VLOOKUP formula in Google Sheets. So stay tuned and watch till the end. So first of all, I have a very simple example with few columns: employee reference, division, sale, and revenue. What I would like to see, if I type the employee reference, it it give me the related revenue of that employee reference. So I will use VLOOKUP formula, start writing VLOOKUP formula is equal to VL double OK. It's appearing at the bottom. Click on this one, and then first one is lookup value. What is my lookup value? My lookup value is this cell reference, comma. Next one is range, the range in which the formula will work. This whole data set is my range. Press F4 to fix it, comma. Next one is result column. What is my result column? The column in which I want the result from. I want result from revenue column, so it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Its number is 4. So I will write number 4 here, then comma. The last one is true or false. If I type true, it will approximate match the value and give me the result. However, I want to exactly match this employee reference and then give me the result. So I will type false, close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see it's giving me 8 to 8. 8 to 8 is the revenue for the double X13 employer reference. So it's giving me, it's looking the value in this column and giving me the result from the revenue column. So this is how, if I change the employer reference here, it will automatically change the revenue as well. You can see now XS25 is 696 is 696. It's giving me the different revenue. Right. So now we talk about the prerequisites of the VLOOKUP, the elements which you need to make sure before applying the VLOOKUP formula. Before applying the VLOOKUP formula, I need to make sure there is no spaces in my data. If there are spaces in my data, then the VLOOKUP formula will not work effectively. This is one condition. Second one is the VLOOKUP formula work from the left to right. So the lookup value column will be left side and the result column would be from the right side. It can be this one, or this one. So it only works from the left to right hand side. Number third, and the important thing is the if the this VLOOKUP is if the lookup value column is not unique, then it will only pick up the first value. For example, if this XS12 is repeating 2 times, XS12, then VLOOKUP will only pick up the first value. VLOOKUP will only pick up this revenue which is related to the very first row. So the value need to be unique before applying the VLOOKUP formula. So these were the three requisites for the VLOOKUP formula for applying. So you just need to make sure and hit the like button if you like this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel.